Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at alphainvestors.club, where today we will be reviewing Icon cryptocurrency. Icon is a project that could change the way blockchains interact with each other. The Icon project is building one of the largest decentralized networks in the world. The network involves a group of independent blockchains working together. Icon can facilitate transactions between blockchains even when there are independent blockchains with different governances. Icon claims to have dozens of reputable institutions in its network already. Meanwhile, anyone can use Icon to create a new blockchain project and join the network. You know how the internet brought together many different websites and protocols? Icon envisions a similar system, but for blockchain technologies. Their system is also built off the success of projects like Ethereum or Bancor. Icon is built by a Korea-based team of developers. Uses for Icon. Some of the potential uses for Icon include for e-commerce, banks, hospitals, securities, trading, insurance, and even universities. Today, Icon's network already hosts communities with all of these institutions. The network hosts decentralized apps or DApps, including blockchain ID and payment or exchange apps. Icon's blockchain ID system can be issued by financial securities organizations, then used for verification in other communities. Ultimately, the systems built for one purpose, like for identity verification, can be utilized by other applications within the Icon network. Icon features. Icon emphasizes all of the following features. First, payment and exchange and a decentralized exchange. One of the core features of Icon is the Icon wallet, which can transfer, settle, and exchange currencies in real time through a decentralized exchange. It can be used in our everyday lives within the Icon community, like for banks, securities, insurance, universities, and other organizations built on the Icon network. Second, scalability. Icon is compatible with traditional blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's also compatible with all other third-party blockchain networks. Thanks to this feature, Icon plans to blend together the crypto world with the real world more effectively than other networks that just support a single blockchain. Third, decentralized governance. Like other blockchain-based platform, Icon aims for a decentralized governance model. Each blockchain connected to the central platform, called Nexus, holds its own governance, and Nexus progresses discussions with an equal level of representation on behalf of each independent blockchain, functioning like an indirect democracy. With that in mind, Nexus also has features like representation channels, which can be used to propose policies and cast votes. Fourth, loop chain. Icon's central technology revolves around loop chain, described as a high-performance blockchain that can provide real-time transaction, which is based on enhanced smart contract. Loop chain is built for enterprise use, and the smart contracts can be customized according to operational needs. Most importantly, those smart contracts can also be linked to other distributed ledger networks over the Icon platform. Fifth, consensus. Icon's loop chain uses a loop fault tolerance consensus mechanism, which is basically an enhanced Byzantine fault tolerance based algorithm that promotes faster consensus. The goal of loop fault tolerance is to ensure the finality of the consensus without the possibility of force within the network. Six, SCORE, or Smart Contract on Reliable Environment. SCORE is an enhanced smart contract feature of Loop Chain. SCORE is designed to ensure high-performance contracts run directly in the node operation environment without a separate virtual machine. SCORE can be easily deployed and created for various applications because it runs separate from the underlying blockchain processes. Seventh, Blockchain Signature Infrastructure, or BSI. BSI is based on smart contract technology. ICON uses BSI to enable the construction of digital signature infrastructures like public key infrastructure or PKI. With ICON's current PKI system, BSI does not need to manage separate keys for certificate issuance. Instead, it uses X.509 certificates, which are issued by creating digital signatures based on information processed on the Merkle tree-based proof of existence. Ultimately, more technical details about the ICON platform can be found online in the ICON white paper. So basically, ICON is an ambitious project that aims to build on the success of Ethereum, Bancor, and EOS, among other platforms. Designed by a Korea-based team, the platform allows blockchains to interact with one another in a decentralized environment. Key features include smart contracts that can function across multiple blockchains. And to learn more about ICON and prepare for the company's upcoming ICO, visit them online today at ICON.foundation. So thanks for tuning in and be sure to join our Alpha Investors email list, alphainvestors.club. Stay tuned for our next review.